Hello, I am Colonel Sanjay Pandey. I am starting the series Youth and Mind Power from today. In a short while, you will have almost about 5-6 videos uploaded today itself. This is the first of the introductory videos. We will have two of them where I will talk to you directly. You have also seen the promotion videos earlier where you have seen Shubhankar Chaudhary, who will be joining me. There is a necessity when it comes to me talking to youth, me talking to you directly. The first question that comes to your mind is, why should you be listening to me? Why should he be telling us what exactly to do? Your dilemma is genuine and your dilemma is understandable. This is what happens whenever you see an unknown face talking to you. When I talk to you with my eyes directly staring at you. Because there is a connect I want to make directly with you. I cannot make the connect till the time I prove my credibility, tell you my credentials, substantiate those credentials with such facts which you can check at your end. Slowly you will realize that the amount of information I release about myself, there is no one you would have seen releasing so much information about himself. When I talk to you, when I talk to youth, I talk from my heart, I talk with all sincerity because I know when I ask you to do something, I have done that. And keeping that in mind, this special category came to my mind about youth and mind power. What is the dilemma that a youth faces? And how can I help you to develop that mind power? To wade through the difficult life and still compete with the people of your age, your peers, slightly senior or junior, which sooner or later will happen. Follow this series. Follow what I tell you, start practicing it. It will take time. You will realize you are a much better human being. And that is all that we require today. In these times, we require better human beings. If they go in any walk of life, it is immaterial so far as they are good human beings. That is my endeavor. When I talk about my credibility, this is 40 years that I first went into the training academy. Even assuming that I came across 200 to 400 people each year, you will also realize that there may be more than 10,000 people across the world who know me, in whose contact I would have come. Out of these, there are some who would have worked with me very closely, who would have known me very, very closely. There are some who would have known me because they were around. Some would have known me because I was in the organization. Some would have known me just by name. But we cannot deny the fact that there are people who know me. When I say that my credibility is at stake, shooting this video itself puts my credibility at stake. With so many people around and exchanging notes, someone might just come up and say, no, he lies. I know none will come. Because my practiced character values, my practiced character traits as taught, I have tried to follow that right from my young days, and I still do that. So all people will do is to simply confirm that what I'm saying is correct. How many of you have actually seen this sort of video in a public domain where even before taking on the subjects of character or development, that there is a person who is first giving his own credibility? He's proving his own credibility before he communicates with you. How many of you seen? If you have seen, just put the link in the comments box. I will definitely like to meet such people. I was an instructor in Indian Military Academy back in 1992. I had about 30 to 35, 33 to be precise, cadets under me. One of them is no more. And they were with me for 18 months, day in, day out. There were another 60 cadets with whom I would interact daily, maybe thrice or 4 times in a week, but closely. Then there were another 200, 300 who were in the battalion, who would know me, with whom maybe I would interact with them once in a month or once in 2 months. And there were more in the academy. The people who were closest out of this 33 guys, each one of them is in touch with me today. 29 years. They are in touch with me. I know about their families. They all started as young boys. Today, some of them have retired. They have put in 29 years of service. They have become brigadiers. And all of them will be watching this video sometimes or the other. I must have that sort of a courage of conviction. I must have that courage to look into their eyes and say that these videos I am taking out for the youth. They will vouch for it. Then there are my children, my family friends, their children, the friends of my children. The web is endless. People know me. And when I talk about these videos and when I talk about the character, when I talk about the leadership qualities, when I say I have done it, they all will vouch that yes, he has done it. That's where comes my credibility. So when we talk about credibility, having told you my background of last 40 years and the risk I take by taking out this series, please understand the amount of confidence I have on myself. I am confident there is no aberration. I am confident there is nothing. No one can just dig out my past and just throw a skeleton. That will not happen. If you are teaching leadership, if you are guiding youth, if you are wanting to become mentors, you have to be spotless. I say so. With that confidence, I approach you. The series is going to be very, very interesting. Practically, this is going to change you if you follow. If you want to just see it to pass your time, up to you. But what is definitely there is you will not lose anything. You will lose nothing. So might as well go through the entire thing, recommend to your friends, recommend to your siblings, ask them to watch these videos. They will help. Because they come from someone who looks into your eyes and says that I'm being absolutely truthful to you. And that is where exactly my attraction towards youth, character building and molding them comes up. The reason is simple. Beyond a certain age, and to me that age is something that starts with 30. I think till about 29, you can mold people. Thereafter, unless a person has decided to change himself, no, I think it is difficult. Youngest age, say 15. So from 15 age group to 29, 14, 15 years, these all videos are actually targeted at them. You are the ones who I would like to speak to, interact, and directly impress upon. See, there are some problems when as soon as we say youth is spread across the country. If I am talking about India, across the world. Wherever the youth is, there are problems that start right from the place where they stay. From rural background to metropolitan cities, from first world countries to third world countries. There is no common platform when it comes to a youth to build. So how does he compete? There are language challenges. Within India, metropolitan cities are English oriented. The rural areas are dictated by the language spoken in their state. The marriage of these two takes place when generally you are at the point where you are going to take a career decision. And then you realize that it is one language dominant, so other people start suffering. So does it mean that good human beings, good leaders, or impressionable youth only lives in a certain area? No, it doesn't. Remember one thing, across the globe, across the country, across everywhere, character building, youth, mind power, it is same for everyone. So where exactly does the difference come in? It comes in your environment at home. One may be from a very, very humble family, not much economic strength, and on the other hand, there is no lack of muscle, economic muscle. So that gives you access to different areas, whether it is education, whether it is opportunities, or whether it is support system for the same education. And hence, we come down to how this youth is going to build his own character, build his own personality. His parents may not be as much endowed to teach him everything. Are all parents same? They are not. So there is someone at whose home the things are very different. There is someone else different. Someone is educated, someone is not. The nature is different. So how does this youth actually build his character? How does he become a human being when he doesn't know? So that's why I say he is impressionable. That impressionable age carries on from 15, 16, carries on right up to 29. All he requires is someone to tell him what is right. And then he is confused. There are a million people on social media telling you exactly what to do. So how does he do? That's where credibility comes in. That's why when I talk to you, I talk about credibility, my credibility first. We often hear the news, a auto rickshaw guy's daughter becomes a IAS, a auto rickshaw guy's son becomes a IAS, IPS, he becomes an army officer, some other humble background. Then we'll have that photo of this Kashmir girl who is sitting with a book under a lamppost or in a garden, studying because there is no environment. Online classes are not going on. I mean, this is shocking. It is we who are not letting them come up. We are not giving them opportunities to become better people, better human beings. If all of them get very, very good guidance, they become responsible human beings. I'm sure the number of percentage of people will rise and the economic or the parents' background will not be responsible for the performance of the child. Today I sit here and talk to you. My father was an airman in the Air Force. He retired as an honorary flight lieutenant. Back in 1981, when still the armed forces were looked up as someone only the top crust joins, I joined them. In that last 40 years of journey, how many people have mustered the courage to make the video like I'm making? So it's all how you make yourself. These videos are all about that. So join me. Changing your mind power is in your hands. Telling it how to do it is my job. So youth and manpower, that's how I connect, and that's how let us connect. I will have one more short intro video number 2, in which again I will talk about few case studies. Let's see how thereafter we go, and then we come down to character traits. Thank you so much for being with me. Recommend this to as many friends as possible. I want the youth power to actually come up good, become good human beings. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.